Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm excited again because I have a new box on my channel. The last video I posted was another new box that I put on my channel, which is the Medusa makeup subscription box. It's vegan and cruelty free. If you guys want to see what I got in that box, I'll have it in the description down below. But today, as you guys see from the description, sorry, I am going to be unboxing for the first time ever on my channel the Chic Beauty Box. Alrighty, if you guys want to see what I got in this month's box, actually it's a bi-monthly box, so this is the September and October box. If you guys want to see what I got in this box, then keep on watching. So before I show you guys what's in my box, I just wanted to welcome anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I love all things beauty related. I love makeup, hence the name Aisha Loves Makeup. I think that's one of the main reasons why I started my YouTube channel, because I just wanted to create a family and have friends with people who have a common interest as me, such as makeup. So this channel is going to be mostly me unboxing lots of makeup subscription boxes because I like trying new makeup and beauty products. If that's something that you enjoy watching and something that you're interested in, then I would say subscribe to my channel. I also do lots of makeup hauls and collection haul videos as well. Alrighty, so let me tell you a little bit about the box. This is what the box looks like. It actually comes in like a little protective covering bag, I guess because they don't want the box to get messed up. And on the packaging it says fragile, so that helps prevent against things breaking, which I love that they did. This box is $34.99 a month. Sorry, I have my notes down here. This is my first time doing an unboxing for this box, so I just want to make sure I give you guys all the right information. So it's $34.99 a month. What I like about this box is you get to customize your box. So you get to pick items in your box, what I always love, because then you can't really say you don't like something because you actually chose it. And what I love about this box the most is it's all makeup. That's right. You heard me right. It's all beauty items. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. That's all I ever wanted, was a true makeup subscription box. Yes, it is a little bit costly. It's $34.99 a month, but it's bi-monthly, so you're not paying $34.99 a month every single month. It's every other month. So I got this for my September and October, and I won't have to pay for another box till November. So also what I like about this box is that they give you not only high-end makeup, but they give you sometimes a little bit of drugstore too. And I haven't really bought anything drugstore in a while, so I think this will push me out of my comfort level. Alrighty, enough rambling. Let's see what we got. Alrighty. So I'll give you a sneak peek first. So this is what it looks like when you open the box. They give us a little card. The card has all the prices on prices of everything. And I like that it has a lot of like name brand stuff. So they come in for BoxyCharm. I feel like this could be the next BoxyCharm box. It's a little bit more, but it's like I said, it's bi-monthly, so it kind of balances it out. Alright, so this is a sneak peek with the products in it. And this is all stuff that I actually know what they are, so I'm very excited. Alrighty, so where do I begin? We will start with the first thing on the top. This is a Bare Minerals highlighter, which I'm excited about. This is in the color Free. Let me show you what the box, that's the box. Endless Glow highlighter. So that's what the highlighter looks like. It has a mirror, and that's the highlighter. It's like a gold. Alrighty, so the next thing I got in here is another Bare Minerals item. So this was my choice. I know I chose this for sure. I forgot how many choices that you get. I want to say you get to choose like 3 things. Because I want to say they asked me about the highlighter as well. So this is the palette that I chose, the Latte Palette. And let's see what it looks like. Oop. That was a close one. That could have went bad. Oh, this is beautiful. It's like a nice everyday palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Very pretty, like nice earth tones for every single day. So I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this palette. So keep in mind the box was $34.99. So let's see the prices. So the Bare Minerals translucent powder, is that? No, that's the Endless Glow. They also gave like a translucent powder. So it looks like it tells you everything that you could have got in your box with the prices. So you're gonna have to scroll through everything to find what you got. All right, so the highlighter was $30, and the eyeshadow palette was $29. So right off the bat, I already got the value of what I paid and more. All right, the next thing I got is an NYX waterproof gel smudger liner. Well, this box, I gotta say, not too shabby. I got a purple gel eyeliner from NYX. Let me, I need scissors to open this. I want to say I've bought their gel liner before, but I never had the purple one. And I want to say it was good, so. So it comes in a pot like so. And this color is called Violet Fonts. No, Deep Purple Violet Fonts. Alright, so very excited. Let me show you what the purple looks like. So it's a very pretty purple. Can't wait to try that out. So far I'm loving everything from my box. And did I mention this box is all makeup? BoxyCharm, Ipsy, take note. An all makeup box. That's what we want. That's what us ladies want, or gents. We want like an all makeup box. The next thing I got is from Too Faced. And this is from Peach Puff. It's a long wearing diffuse matte lip color. Non-feathering liquid color. So this color is called Day Drinking. That's the box. And let me show you the color. Ooh. Also, it's like a little, you click it and then you apply it on. But I like this type of color. It's like a neutral, so I'm very excited to use this. The next thing I got is a Too Faced Perfect Eyes waterproof eyeliner. I'm very excited for that. It's in a hunter green color. Let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see. This didn't come in a box. Sometimes I don't like when they don't come in the actual packaging. This was the only thing that didn't come in like its actual packaging. But it doesn't look like it was used, but I'm very iffy sometimes about things not coming in like a box. But I love this color and I most certainly will wear it. The next thing I got, this is so pretty. It's an Almay gloss and Goddess Gloss. You know, the type is called Goddess Gloss. The color, what's the color called? Mystic. Look how pretty this gloss is. Oh my, my, my. Look how pretty, wow. Super, super excited for this gloss. I'm very excited to try this gloss. Let's swatch it. Because it's so pretty. I need to see what this looks like. I haven't tried any Almay lip stuff. So that's what I was saying about, like, this box is good because you get to try, like, drugstore stuff too. Alright, let's see how this gloss looks. Ooh, very pretty. This is what the gloss looks like. So it's very pearlescent, so it's probably going to be nice, like, oversaw. Not necessarily by itself. Because it has, like, that pearl. It doesn't really show too much over, like, because I have such an opaque color on right now. But very pretty. I'm very excited. I probably would do, like, a purple lip. And then I would put that on top. So very excited for that. And that was everything I got in my box. And I am 110% happy because it was all makeup. Which is why I subscribed to this makeup subscription box. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did cancel a couple of my other boxes. Like, for example, I did Beauty Fix box. But I felt like it wasn't really practical for me because it was a skincare subscription box. And I wanted to have, like, you know, some different stuff on my channel, not just makeup. But I just felt like lately all the makeup subscription boxes have been very skincare heavy. And I was just getting a plethora of skincare. So it was just too much. So I canceled that Beauty Fix box. Eventually, maybe I'll get it again. But for now, I think I'll take a break with the skincare for now. So I canceled that box. I canceled my Lashy box because they scammed your girl. They scammed you lovely. And unfortunately, I had already, when I subscribed to Lashy box, I locked in 6 months. So I had to keep that for 6 months. But you best to believe, as soon as that 6-month time got there, I canceled it. So this was my last box. If you want to hear how I got scammed from Lashy box, subscription box, I'll put that down in the description down below for you guys to watch. Very disappointed in that. Company is not of their word. They say one thing and they do another. So it's fine. I will no longer give them my hard-earned money. Let's go over what I got again. I got a Too Faced liquid lip, which I love. I got a Too Faced eyeliner, which I love. I got this beautiful purple Almay lip gloss, which I love. I got this purple gel liner from NYX, which I love. I got this Bare Minerals highlighter, which I love. And I got this Latte eyeshadow palette, which I love. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So normally you get 4 to 5 full-size items. They don't give sample sizes, which is also great. But they said they were going to give me 1 extra item because I'm new. If you're new to the subscription box, they were going to, I don't know what was the extra thing they decided to give me. But nevertheless, you never get 6. You would get only 4 to 5 items. So I'm very happy about everything I got. And I can't wait to try everything. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the Chic beauty box? Do you like it? Are you guys subscribed to it? Like, I love that it's all, like I said, all 100% makeup and not skincare. It's straight to the point of what most people want is a beauty products. So I'm very happy and it's very personal. Like, you get to pick your choice. And I'm very super, super, super excited about having this box on my channel. So you won't see this box next month on my channel because obviously it's bi-monthly. So this, you won't see it for, actually, this is September, October, so the next one will be November, December. So you won't see it all the time, but you'll see it enough. So it gives you enough time to try everything out before you get your next box. So super excited for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm about to film another video. I went to Ulta and bought so much stuff. And I want to show you guys what I got. So stay tuned for my next Ulta haul video. See you guys soon. Oh, before I go, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to give me thumbs up if you guys like my video. Okay, bye for real now.